Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Student the Brand. So today we are going to discuss about grade 12 CBSE physics, electric charges and fields. So today we will talk about this topic. So now let's get into start. So here all of you observe seeing a sparkle. So here you can see seeing a sparkle or hearing a crackle when we take off our synthetic clothes, sweater, particularly in dry weather. Electric discharge is the lightning that we see in the sky during thunderstorms. We also experience a sensation of electrical shock either while opening the car or holding the iron bar of bus after sliding from our seat. So we can observe the discharge of electric charges through our body. So by these all activities, we can observe discharge of electrical charges through our body. So static means anything that does not move. So if you are taking the charges, so static means if you are taking the object is at rest. So we can consider the object is at rest. So static position. And electrostatics deals with the study of forces, fields and potentials arising from the static charges. Electrostatics, so here we can understand the statics. There is nothing but a study of forces, fields and potentials arising from static charges. So electric charge, in the name electricity, is coined from the Greek word electron, so meaning amber. So many such materials were known which on rubbing could attract the light objects like straw, balls and bits paper. So if you take the comb and comb it, so then if you take this piece of papers, then we can observe, so the comb will attract the piece of papers, because so the piece of papers are attached, so the comb will attract the piece of papers, right? We can understand like this. There are two kinds of electrification, and we find that, so what is that? Like charges ripple. So if you take positive and positive or negative and negative, so these charges will repel each other, whereas unlike charges attract each other. So positive negative and positive negative negative positive, so this will attract each other. So the property which differentiate the two kinds of charges is called polarity of charge. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk, so if you are taking the glass rod here, this is a glass rod I am taking, rubbing with a silk cloth. So you can see, so I'm rubbing with the silk cloth. So cloth, if you rub, so what will happen? So here it will be getting electrons. So this will be, electrons will be transferred to the silk cloth, so this will become positive charge. So you can see the rod acquires one kind of charge, that is nothing but we can say positive charge, and silk acquires another kind of charge, that is but electron. So there is nothing but negative charge. So this is true for any pair of objects that are to be electrified. So if you not only this two pair, so these two objects, we can take any object that you rub, then the charges will be so transfer. The charges were named as positive and negative by American scientist Benjamin Franklin. So if an object possesses an electric charge, it is said to be electrified or charged. When it has no charge, it is said to be electrically neutral. So this is about the topic. So if you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. This is your Sir. Thank you so much.